Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding a follow button on Facebook. So followers can see your posts, reels, and other stories in your feed. And by default, people that are following you are friends. However, if you want to set that up to being public or another privacy setting, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set that up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon in the top right that says account when you hover over it. Left click on that and select settings and privacy. And then you want to select the setting gear button right here. On the left side, scroll down underneath where it says audience and visibility. Select followers and public content. And now on the right side where it says who can follow me, followers can see your posts, reels, and stories in your feed. Friends follow your posts, reels, and stories by default, but you can also follow people who are not your friends to follow your public posts, reels, and stories. Use this setting to choose who can follow you. So if you select this button here, you can select either public or friends, so pretty easy process on that. And then if you want to have a follow button on your profile, you can select the try professional mode. So professional mode lets people who are not your friends follow your public posts, reels, and stories. Select try professional mode. And then if you turn that on, you will be eligible for certain monetization features depending on thresholds. You can grow your audience as well, see content insights, as well as get discovered with certain tagging features. So just something to keep in mind. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. There's certain monetary implications here as well, but you can look into the professional mode further if that's what you want to be interested in with Facebook. But pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.